amazing to be in the kitchen with you guys today. It is fantastic. I do love you so much, and that's why I want to give you this recipe. I know you guys are going to love this because it's just an amazing, you know, I'm always giving you different kind of recipes, you know it. I give you some of the most beautiful recipe for you guys to make at home. I'm always have to give back something to you because guys, you love me so much and I love you too. And you know what I mean, I give you juice, I give you meat-free Monday and all different kind of healthy recipe for you to work with at home to look after yourself. Every night we do normally do a healthy tea recipe, so stay tuned in with this beautiful and an amazing healthy tea recipe we've been doing every other night. We do high blood pressure, you name it. So do not miss this one, and just remember also we are here to fill some of the gap with you guys. So if you missed the videos, remember the video right there, you guys can watch and stay tuned in with Chef Ricardo. Thank you so much for all of that beautiful love, and now this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna deliver on an amazing recipe to you for you to make at home. So stay tuned in and let's do this together. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically this one is okra punch. This one is okra punch. We don't need to go there for it. The flag is rice. Alright, the flag is just rice. Now let's start it off. So grab yourself a pen and a piece of paper. All of the man them. Get on yourself a piece of paper and a pen. Or if you miss this around, tell her to start writing down some ingredients. Alright, now I got some okra, so what I did with the okra them, I just simple boil them off for about 5 minutes in the water. Don't make them get too soft, cause you know, yeah, you don't want it too soft. So what we're going to do, I'm gonna cut up the okra them and put it straight inside of it, just like this. You just boil it off a little bit and then I take them out and cool them down, alright? So that's 2 okra. Write down that gun already, 2 okra. Alright. I'm gonna show you how to make okra punch. Nice one. Alright, that's 3 okra. Alright, this is gonna make 4 okra. This a drink and a normal drink, you know, you have to be careful, especially the kind of weather. That's gonna be 5 okra. Honestly, you can put any amount of okra you like to put inside of it. Now, I have some oats which I'm going to be using. This is just only 2 tablespoons of oats. It's not a lot. 2 tablespoons of oats. Alright, just gonna put that straight inside of it. And don't forget, you can get oats and okra for buy at your local shop or your supermarket around the corner from where you live. Alright, now I got some pumpkin seed. Pumpkin seed is a must. Alright, gonna put a tablespoon of pumpkin seed in it. Pumpkin seed good for man. Ladies, you can make this drink awesome. Don't be shy. Alright, I got some chisel seed. Chisel seed is very good. You know what I mean? Build up your immune system and all them things there. Very good in weight loss and detoxing also. Alright, we're not talking about weight loss now. We're talking about be a king. Be a king. Not being a king for the world, you know, but you know what I mean, in your own self. Alright, we're gonna put a teaspoon of the chisel seed on it. Sell off. Now we're gonna put some grounded cinnamon powder, roughly about half teaspoon. We're gonna put some Jamaican nutmeg, roughly about half teaspoon. We're gonna put some mixed spice. Nice one. Now we got some vanilla, Jamaican vanilla. I'm gonna put a tablespoon. Now we have this thing named Jamaican Irish mash. You can get it at your local shop or your supermarket. This is the Jamaican Irish mash. You just give it a shake. We're gonna put roughly about very thick, you know, half come out of it. Roughly about quarter can of it inside of it. Alright. We have Jamaican Supper Gel, original flavor nutriment, and this is the vanilla one I'm using. You can get this in a local shop or your supermarket for buy. please go and get the ingredients. Alright guys, we're gonna put roughly about quarter can of it inside of it. Now I have some peanut butter. You can use natural peanut if you have it, but I have some peanut butter. Peanut butter is very good when you're making certain kind of drink like this. Alright, we're gonna put roughly about a teaspoon in it. Alright, trust me, peanut butter very good for it, this kind of drink. Alright, and not only that, peanut butter is very good for weight loss also. Now we got some sunflower seed. We're just gonna put a tablespoon in it. Alright, nice one. We're gonna put a few more okra. We're gonna have 5 okra. We're gonna put another one in and make 6. Alright, nice one. What we don't want to do, we don't want to overpower it and kill it. So what we're gonna do, we just wanna put like a 2 piece of ice just to chill it. So now we're gonna use some Jamaican sweet condensed milk to sweeten it. Alright, nice one. So roughly about 3 tablespoons of the Jamaican sweet condensed milk. Make sure you get all of those ingredients, guys. Don't, you know what I mean, cost me in the description box. So Chef Ricardo didn't get everything. Alright, now what we're going to do, we're gonna do simple blend up the old power drink here. Alright, this is a chapter. You know what I mean? Yeah, old power. Now give it a shake and free up the blender. Now what we're going to do, we're gonna simple give it a blend, and that's blend gonna take it to another level. Alright guys, so yeah, please don't go anywhere, sit down and watch the man power drink. Alright, nice one. Wow. Let me see what I go on there. Cause you have to be careful, you know. Chat to a star. I hate this, you know. To be honest, I hate this. I'm not gonna further with it. Honestly, I'm not gonna no further with it. I'll make you guys see exactly what I'm gonna write this up. I'm not gonna further with it. That is sick. Honestly, when I say sick, I mean this is sick. This is a normal thing right here. Alright, here it is. We're gonna share it up into a glass, and you know what I mean, as I said, this is Chef Ricardo Okra Punch, and it's not a normal drink, and anybody can drink this. Yeah, you can put a Guinness in it if you want, but no alcohol. Yeah, this one. Alright, let's put a 2 pieces of ice because the time is hot, just to chill it down a little bit, you know what I mean. Yeah, Okra Punch from Chef Ricardo. Yeah, I'm not going to go further. Request for this kind of drink all the time, and Chef Ricardo always tries his best to sell it out. Okra Punch, can't go wrong. Here it is, one of the best from Chef Ricardo. Please enjoy it, subscribe, leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. We have a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. Alright, so yeah, why not? Why don't make it at home and surprise? Yeah, thank you for watching. We love every one of you, and I will definitely see you in the kitchen again with more recipes and more ideas from Chef Ricardo and the team. Okra Punch, be the king at night. Alright, stay tuned with Chef Ricardo. See you next time in the kitchen with more recipes. Bye bye. Spices dancing in the breeze, cooking magic with such ease. Jerk chicken sizzling loud, drawing in the hungry crowd.
Island flavors in the air, Chef Ricardo's secret flair. Let's gather round the fire tonight, taste the rhythm, pure delight. Every dish a work of art, feel the love in every part. Coconut rice, so divine, mango salsa, oh so fine. With every bite a happy sign, taste Jamaica and you'll fly.